welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to reorganize my closet again. I do this a lot, but to be fair, when you have a lot of clothes, you need to. Because it gets messy. See, what happens is, like, I have some things folded and I have some things hanging up. And the folded stuff always kind of ends up in a ball inside the bin instead of being folded. But I like it being folded, but I just don't like constantly, like, when I dig through in a hurry, it's going to get messed up. So I'm going to fix that. And I'm going to also reorganize things so that they're more accessible, because I just started working at Starbucks. I just got off, actually. I don't know what time it is. I have a clock right there, but I can't read time very fast. It's 3:30, so I got off an hour and a half ago. And I want to separate my work clothes from regular stylish clothes. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, anyway, that's what my life's been like recently. I worked 9 to 2 today, so I'm kind of tired because I woke up at 7 and did a workout, and then I walked to Starbucks. It's like I leave 30 minutes before my shift starts, so I left my house at like 8:30 and I get there at like 9:50 something. But yeah, we're gonna reorganize my closet, make it more accessible, make it more summer ready. I'm trying to not buy any more clothes because I bought a new pair of pants on Sunday. It's Thursday now for reference. But to be fair, there was only one pair left in this shop downtown that's like a thrift shop. There's one pair left and I tried them on and they fit me perfectly, like more perfect than any other pair of pants I've ever tried on. Because I'm tall, I'm 5'8", and I actually have the same length legs that my dad does at 6 feet. So finding pants that go all the way to like my ankle is so hard. And I tried these on and they fit perfectly, and they only have one size left. I'm gonna show you because they're so cute. I have gotten 3 compliments on these, but like, they're so cute. So yeah, that's the plan. I ordered new shoes. I went to Journeys in the mall to get these like Converse that are embroidered. They're black and they're like purple on the inside and they're embroidered. They're really cute. And they're like, oh, they don't have them in 7 here. So the girl's like, I can order them here to your house. So she did. I get them in the mail on Tuesday. Open them out. I'm like, these are so cute. And then I'm like, these look giant. Because she ordered me a 7 men's, not women's. So they're actually a woman's 9. So I had to return them and get them reordered. And then now they're coming. I'm planning to get rid of some pants because these are too short for me. You know how we were talking in that conversation earlier? Well, yeah. These are flare pants, but because the flares flare out too high on my leg. So they don't, like, when I'm wearing shoes, the flare itself is hitting at my ankle instead of hitting lower. So they're just honestly, like, they're really cute. And I'll miss them. But they're also annoying as I'll get out. Plus they're white, and I wore these to DC like almost 2 months ago, and I immediately got something on them. Like, I don't know, I hate white pants. They're the stupidest thing ever. These have something on the pants too. I was gonna get rid of these, but the thing is, I could wear them to work. I will get them so dirty. So unbelievably dirty. Because they already are dirty. But at the same time, I kind of freaking love them. I'm not getting rid of these. I'm not gonna do it. Let's see though, because I'm trying to figure out. I'm gonna get rid of this green dress. Whoa. Because I don't like how I like the dress itself. I just don't like the neckline. It looks really weird and like, it looks good right now, but the problem is it doesn't stretch. Maybe I'll just try it on. Hold on, let me try this on the side. I look like a disaster. I changed. It's a no. There's more than like one thing I don't like about it, and that's too many things. I also put on the sweater because I found it, and I feel cozy now. Okay. Another thing I was thinking about getting rid of. Because I got this because I couldn't find anything else I liked like it, and now I have like so many other things that I like more. I mean, it is cute though when you put like a bra under it, but I don't know if I like it. I don't feel like trying on everything, but I'm going to. Here we go. I'm glad I tried that on because I actually like it a lot. So let's see. How do I want to organize it? So I'm thinking like pants. All my dresses are gonna stay back here. I don't think that's gonna change, but I'm thinking like we're gonna put skirts next to all the dresses. So is like if I'm not gonna wear pants, that's where I would go. I have 2 more right here. Okay. And then pants I can wear to work would be next. Okay, so we're gonna kind of sort. I'm not wearing my new pants, even though they're not ripped, so I could wear them to work. They are too cute, and I'm not getting coffee all over them. Now, next I'm gonna put pants I could wear to work, like these, but probably won't. Ergo these, because actually these are I'm changing my mind. These are gonna be in my front because these are my now like favorite pants. So then all of these right here, and then those at the front. Then we have my kimono. Next up, I mean, I don't think I'll wear this to work, but I'm just gonna put kind of like long sleeve. Ow. Next, then we have all my tank tops. There's so many. Yep. Okay. And we have all my sweatshirts. This could also be hung up here. I'm gonna fold things now, probably. Like this needs to be folded. I just noticed that. That's so bad. Go. Oh. Ignore the fact I just used my. Yeah, you saw. Okay. So, wow, there's a lot of hair on this. I don't know where that all came from, but that's disgusting. I'm gonna throw this away real quick. This is pajamas and things I could wear to work. So I'm trying to decide if I want to make a bin that's like specifically things I'll wear to work, like shirts wise. And I could make room, like it could just be like, oh, I have an idea. I take a bin, specifically probably the black bin, and make it be only things I'll wear to work. And then that bin's empty, I can just know I need to wash clothes. That might be better. Let's dump that one out. Okay, so things I could wear to work. This shirt, could totally wear this to work. It's cute, it's fun. If it spills, who cares? I could wear my Shawn Mendes shirt to work. I could wear this shirt to work. I don't wear this because I forget I have it. I probably could wear my Bob Marley shirt, but I don't know. The same. Oh, I could wear this one though. I cut this one out. Okay. I could wear that. That's fine. So we're making a work bin. And I mean, I can always wear stuff. The problem is I'm running on 3 shots of espresso and 7 hours of sleep and a green tea, but I would want to wear these things sometimes out too. So it makes me be like, oh, I don't want to put everything in the work bin because I might want to wear them. But at the same time, I'm going to wear them. And I could also go in here and pick something out. This is just going to be like things only. It's not things I only wear to work. It's just things that like I could wear to work. So like if I'm going, like they'll be in the you can wear them to work bin. But the other option is just not doing that at all. See my problem? Because like I want to use all my clothes. So, like if I want to wear these pants somewhere, like technically I bought them so I could wear them to work, but I might want to wear them, you know, shopping one day. I don't want them to be like specifically only work. My brain is a mess right now. I'm trying to decide what to do. Okay, I've decided I'm not gonna make a work specific bin because if I want to wear, like I don't want to put all of that together and then not wear it when I'm like, or not know where things are. So basically we're going to go back to the original plan, which is all shirts. I'm going to put like all shirts that don't hang in this bin that aren't pajama shirts. And pajama shirts can't be worn to work in my rule for myself because I don't care about them enough to be like sad if I get coffee on them. But like any shirt, like my 5-star shirt, which I did sew the back together. If you're wondering why, it's because I saw a TikTok on Pinterest that was like, oh, my Dylan shirt. That was like, what was I gonna say? How to like make your shirts cute or whatever. And it was like you cut up the back, which I did for my Bob Marley one, which works for the Bob Marley one. But the Bob Marley one was a size medium, I think, or large. And so when I did it, it was successful. And I was like, cool, I'm gonna do that with the other shirt. But the other shirt was a small, so I didn't have enough fabric to tie it, and it made it kind of uncomfortably tight. So I sewed it back up haphazardly to like just make it like look decent. It looks weird though, but I would still wear it because I love that shirt. Dominic Fike. This is like all my, I could do, oh, I have an idea. Concert tees are gonna be like on a separate like little side thing, so that if I'm like, I want a specific t-shirt that came from a concert that I went to in person, like Boys to Men 80. The shirt is so soft. That's Harry Potter, that's not. Pink, her shirt's also really soft. Monoskin shirt, not very soft. It's like other people got like the Gildan soft touch or whatever, and Monoskin was like, pass. We'll take the cheap ones. I thought I had more like concert tees themselves, but I guess not. Though my jersey. All right, now other shirts that aren't concert tees. This one's pajamas. I have a lot that I don't wear out. Okay, other things that are like knitted, like this fun halter can go the other side. These are all my pajama shirts that I could wear to work because I obviously don't care about them enough. Like this one's covered in paint already, so like I'm just gonna fold them and put them on one side. A little laying break real quick. So nice and much needed. I just took a little break. Now it's time to fold all the exercise clothes, and then I want to organize like my hats and stuff into a spot, and my shoes. So start by my leggings. I'm gonna time lapse this. Alright, this one is done. So now I'm going to organize my hats, which I have a lot of hats actually, but it's kind of nice because I have to wear my hair like up or under a hat, or up and under a hat. So it's nice to have a lot of hats. This altered state bag is going to be for scarves. I actually might put, I don't know, maybe I'll put sweaters in there too. That might be better because I don't need them. It's too hot now. Like where I live, it's like not gonna be sweater weather for like 6-7 months, so don't even need them out. So that's sweaters. Now we get the other bag. Also just like great for gifting again. Like they're just so pretty. I was like, I'm not getting rid of these. This one is gonna be all my hats. My Starbucks hat. Hello. And then like bucket hat and beanies, and this one, which I wouldn't wear to Starbucks, but it's just a really fun hat. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this not in the top of my closet because I need this almost every day. Let's see what else. I think I just shoes now, maybe. I don't know. Okay, I just found my like backpack in the closet. I have earbuds in here. Didn't know about those. Okay, but basically I'm gonna make this be like my work bag because this bag low-key freaking hurts. So I'm gonna put everything that I will need for work in this bag because it has 2 cup holders on the back, so I won't have to carry home my drinks like I did today and hurt myself. My apron, and what else will I need? Probably, I don't want to put those in there though unless I'm going to need them because I feel like I'm going to forget about them. That might be like everything. I do want to put a claw clip in there always, so I always have one and then maybe like a hat in case. Should just always put my Star Wars hat in there. I just did all this work, but I'm undoing it. So the Star Wars hat is always going to be in there, and the claw clip's always going to be, and then maybe I'll put like a headband always in there. Guys, just missed the mess of a century. Well, actually, it wasn't really that much of a mess, so I'm being dramatic. But I knocked my coffee over, so I need to wash this now. Which means this all has to come off my empty vase. If anyone else thought of Friends when I said my empty vase, you are so real for that, because I immediately thought of that guy from Monica's restaurant. Okay. It's kind of good. This looks really gross anyway. Oh, there's more coffee than I thought. I want like all my work shoes to be easily accessible. So I'm kind of thinking, you know, the fact that I have like so much right here. You can't see it, but I do. I don't want these. I should clean my Converse too. They are dirty. And I feel like that's a lot of work. I'm gonna get new blue ones, but until that day, I'm so easy. I got new red ones though, and I have the new black ones that are coming. My new red ones, so clean. All right, I'm thinking because, you know, it's summer now practically, that I like to keep the laces inside so they don't get dirty. I'm thinking my boots, since they can't fit on the top, that are the other shelves, that they're going to be on the top, but they're going to be on the end closest to the wall, so that they're out of the way. Then work shoes, because I'm grabbing these a lot. They're also for like when I want to go skateboarding. My other pair are over there. I'm also gonna get these boots because I think that they're falling apart. Alright guys, it's the next day because I was so tired yesterday. So I was like, I'm finishing this tomorrow, but I just need to fold and put away all my laundry, and then I am done and my closet and my room is clean. So yay. Probably just gonna time lapse this too actually, because it's gonna be boring. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe so I can see you in the next one. Bye!